Hi everyone, this is Ishika Bhattacharjee, and today we are going to learn about CSV files in Python and how to work with them efficiently using the built-in CSV module Python provides us. So CSV files or comma separated value files are one of the most common formats to store tabular data like spreadsheets, survey results, or sales records. So today I'm going to show you how we work with the CSV files in Python so that we can do the rest of the data analysis task using other Python libraries. So let's start with the concept that a CSV file is a simple text file where each row represents a record and each column is separated by a comma. So Python provides a module called CSV that makes it very easy to read, write, and process it. So first, to open a CSV file, we use Python's open function in read mode. The CSV module then parses the content so we can work with it. Now here, I am not using any dataset outside the file, so I'm creating a sample CSV file with this. Now what I have done, I have imported the CSV module. Then I am creating this sample. So in this sample, first I have opened the CSV file with the open function Python provides us, and I am using the W parameter, which means that it will write in the data.csv file. This is the name of the file, and in my file, I am going to use this writer object that will write the following lists. Now I have given their name, age, department, that is going to be my column name. And there is three names, ages, and their departments. Now, when I run this, my CSV file is created. Now I have that data.csv in my folder. Now we need to, in this way, I have written the CSV file. Now I'm going to read the CSV file. So here, again, I'm using the Python open function. And I am putting R so that I am going to read the file. And here I have used the reader object to read the file. Now I am iterating in the reader file row wise so that my Python program gives me the rows of the data.csv. Now this is the data I have created. Uh, Now see one thing, that these are lists. So we can read CSV file into lists, and one more thing, that is into dictionaries. Now I am going to show you how we are going to read a row using dictionary. Now there is a function, a object that Python provides us, that is csv.dictReader. Now this object reads the CSV file into a dictionary. So here you can see, when I print it, I am getting all my file content like a dictionary. The key is here name and the value is Alice. Then the key is age, the value is 23. Like this for all the rows. So I have read all the data row wise in my CSV file using dictionary. Now I want to discuss that what is the advantages of lists versus dictionaries. So for accessing, we can access the list by index, and for dictionary, we can access the dictionary by the name of the row. Lists are very simple for small files and dictionaries are better for larger files. By memory, we can see that lists are slightly faster, while dictionaries have more memory overhead. And whenever we have some sequential data, we should use lists. And whenever we need some structured access, we can use dictionary. So the step-by-step flow would be, first we are using the CSV file. We are using the open function to open the CSV file, like the file name.csv, whatever file name we have. And there is one more thing, that you need to have the file in the same folder as your code is in. So then we are going to put R so that it will open the CSV file. Now, then create a reader object, csv.reader for lists and csv.dictReader for dictionaries. Now then I iterated over the rows using a loop and access the data by index list for list and key dictionary for dictionary. And now use with statement to auto close file. So we have discussed about the with statement, that using with statement is better so that you don't have to close the file again and again. So simply the workflow would be, we open the CSV file, we create a reader, we iterate over the rows, we then process the data, and using the with statement, with keyword, we can auto close the file. This ensures just efficiency, and this is a safe processing with the CSV files in Python. So this approach makes it easy to access data, and by this, we can work with CSV files very conveniently in Python and then can work with our data after opening the data set in our program. That's it for today. Thank you.